Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos. This block is called Color Bands. It finishes at 12 inches. This is a great block to use your solid fabrics or your fabrics with a little bit of texture in it. That you really want the color, not necessarily the texture or the pattern of the fabric. So here is the diagram. We just have two patches, a 2 by 4 inch finished rectangle and a 2 by 12 inch finished rectangle. Here's what 4 blocks look like, block to block. You can also use scraps with this. It would be a little bit different, but I think it would be just as pretty. So patch A is a 2 by 4 inch finished rectangle. We cut 4.5 inch by 2.5 inch rectangles. And we'll need 12 assorted colors. These are for the sides. Here's the AccuQuilt die that will cut this. And patch B is a 2 inch by 12 inch finished rectangle. We cut 12.5 inch by 2.5 inch rectangles. And we'll need 2 assorted rectangles for the center. To use your AccuQuilt, use your 2.5 inch strip cutter and subcut them into 12.5 inch segments. So here are the cutting instructions for patch A and patch B. At the bottom of these instructions, it shows you how to make a 60 by 84 inch quilt with 35 blocks set 5 across and 7 down. For patch A, you'll need 420 of the rectangles, so that's 47 strips, 2.5 inches times the width of fabric. Then you subcut each into 9 segments. Patch B, you'll need 70 patches, so that's 24 strips, and you can make this quilt here. And the first thing we're going to do is make 2 units with the rectangles. We're going to sew 6 of them together like this, and we'll make 2 like this. Here are the fabrics I've chosen. These are grunge. So here is my patch B, and then these are my patch A's. And I'll just kind of mix these up so they look pretty, different colors together. And sew 6 together and then another 6 together and press the seams open. And for step 2, we'll sew the 2 12.5 inch strips together and press the seams open. Now we'll sew the columns together and press the seams open. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and while you're at it, click the bell to be notified of future videos.